guys? We're the Kings and this is our first episode. First minigame. We're doing Sky Wars. If you want to go to the server, go to craftrealms.com. Yeah, me and Joshua is gonna play. Well, to play Sky Wars. If I say 3, 2, 1, jump. If I say 3, 2, 1, jump, let's jump. Okay. I'm lagging so hard, but let's also will be a king. We're the Kings, and this is our first episode. And 3, 2, 1, jump! Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm number 1, and you're number 1. Wait, you're number 1? Yes. Not on the same map. I'm on a different map. It's the other map. Kill yourself, Joshua. Kill yourself, please. Just kill yourself. No. I'm killing myself just to be, be missed out. No. Just join. It's only just kill yourself, join. Yes, you're number 3. You just joined. Are you number 1? Yes. That's the left. We're the Kings, and you know Sky Wars? You don't know? What is Sky Wars, Joshua? Sky Wars. You're on the sky, and you will play wars. Actually, Sky Wars basically a mini game. Yeah. Like the fight in the sky. Where are you, Peter? Just get outside it. Hey. Let's kill this one. Oh, that blocks! I'm getting killed, Joshua! Help! I'm killed. You suck. No one killed me. You've been killed too? Deadlocks! No deadlocks! Yes, I win! Hey, jump now! Oh man, I'm just gonna kill myself, Joshua. I'm sorry. I joined accidentally. And I just killed myself. Kill yourself too. Join! I just killed myself with a bad stats because of you fucking. Just join, Peter, join! Who's what? I'm number what? No. I didn't made it? No. Then kill! Hey, don't not kill yourself! 7 more people's allowed here! Come on! Kill yourself! Yeah! Okay! Come on! 6 more persons and we'll able to go. 360, yeah. Yes, I'm the number 4. I'm number 1. Where are you, Peter? Jump. No. Yeah, me, I will jump. Okay. See me? No. Yes. No, I don't. Let's kill this other guy. With the skin, okay? Naruto skin? No, it's not Naruto skin. Let me see yours. That's it? Yeah, that's it. That's all. Get out of here! Get out of my office! Get out of my office! Oh, there's a good. Danny Sabat. Danny Sabat. Rani Sabat. Fanny Sabat. Peter Sabat. Peter is Sabat. Peter is Sabat. Peter is Sabat. And I hate you. And I'm a bad Oh, leather pants. Oh, cool. You got leather pants? I got iron pants. Oh, I got another eye. I'm in Pearl. I got it wrong again. And this is a cock. Oh, iron chest plate. Oh, so cool. Iron chest plate. You just got lucky, you got it. No, it's not. I'm not lucky. I'm bad. Fuck you. We're not friends anymore. Ooh, yeah, I got an iron sword. I got an iron sword. Let's kill this girl. Shut up. I'm arranging. Wait. Don't be so rude. Oh, someone. You got killed by that girl? No, someone. Yeah, killed me. Okay, I'm just gonna teleport first. Dead. Yes, I teleported. Teleported successful. I teleported. Woo! Another ender pearl. Come on. I don't know. What's up? Yay, iron leggings.
What the fuck? Iron leggings?
Yay! Oh!
Oh, fuck.
I'ma kill this crap of shit.
Diox, that guy killed me. Take my revenge.
I'm lagging.
Diox, you killed Diox.
I just got killed by Diox.
Hey here. Hello.
Alright guys, we'll do this the last time. In 3, 2, 1, Joshua, jump. Bye.
You're number 8. I'm number 6. Where are you, Peter?
Jump around him.
Yes. Yes.
You meet or not?
Peter.
I got a just plate.
You're going to. Aww. I'm going to you, Peter. No armor. What the?
You going to me? Don't get out of me. This is my iron sword. You get any sword? I got iron sword.
One.
One for me. You got stone sword? I got stone sword. I got fishing rod. I got fishing rod. Oh fuck! I'm gonna kill this guy. It's you.
It's me. It's me.
Hey!
Yeah.
Want a battle?
No. Oh, no, no, I don't want to battle Peter. No.
What? Hey! Don't get close to me. I'm enchanting myself.
Don't get close to me too.
Hey! I'm getting. Wait, I forgot to get my apples. Wait, I don't have any notch apples.
Here, some apples. One apple.
I only got pie.
Give me one of your pie. Give me one of your pie.
Yeah, it's in the chest.
I like.
Ooh, almost. Ooh, sneaky. Ay, sneaky, huh? Sneaky lava.
Oh, you love it.
Oh, sneaky lava. Hey! Are you gay? You gay? Huh? That's how.
Come on, let's go out. Come on, let's go to this. Come on, Peter.
I'ma look out on you. Yeah, you're good right now. Yeah, Joshua, don't stop. Wow, may nag-aabang! Joshua, there's a... Oh! Continue. I said continue, bitch!
Oh, Peter.
Oh, we'll win. Hey. Oh, you gay, huh? You can't get us. You can't kill us.
Come on, let's kill that boy.
Dude,
Oh,
we have no chance. He's got an arrow. He's not chosen. Wawa. Hey, Joshua. Kill yourself. Okay, that is it, guys. We're gonna end this. We're sorry we suck. We're the Mac Kings. And this is our first episode. Hope you guys like it. And we're out. Goodbye. And thank you.